Friends, all of you know that tomorrow is 26th January. That means our Republic Day. So I have made this video for all of you. So in this video I am going to show you how to solve the Tricolour. So I have taken a solve cube. If you don't have a solve cube, then learn to solve the cube. And if you don't know how to solve the cube, then see the series of Rubik's Cube that I have uploaded on the YouTube. Okay, now let's start without wasting time. Now, first take the cube. Okay, then do U prime. Assure that the red side is here on the left side of the cube and green side is on the top of the cube. Okay? You have to do U prime D L2 U B2 D2 again B2 then D2 then L F prime U D prime R U prime F2 L F prime B prime. Now all of you can see that our Tricolour is now made. So wish you a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.